Hello, today we'll learn how to set up an account on OGS server. First, set language to English, then click sign in, register here. Then username, then set password, and email. It says optional, but please select your email, because then you'll be able to use the full functionality of the server. Then click sign up. Alright, please click here to your email account, then please verify your email address, and then please click the link. Great, your email has been verified. That's basically it. Good luck!